What is up, beautifuls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. I'm Finn and I post content twice a week. I'm so happy today. Do you know what? I'm so happy, and I'm happy because we are unboxing something pretty fabulous and it's just really exciting. That, and I've had a cup of tea and I just feel very much awake, even though it's decaf. In today's video, as you can see by the title below, we're going to be having a look at the fantastic, I say fantastic, I haven't looked at it yet, but it looks fantastic, I Heart Revolution Cherry Revolution Christmas gift set. I am buzzing for this. This retails for I think £30. I'm adamant I paid £15, plus I paid £4.99 for the next day delivery thing. So let's just get straight on into it. This is so exciting. So this is what we get. I'm just happy that it's a big sphere, to be honest, and I can put things in it. It's just storage and it looks cute. I think they did so well with this packaging. Let's have an open. I'm so excited. But if you don't know, Makeup Revolution have got a bunch of Christmas gift sets. It's amazing. I'll pop a few pictures, have a look. So on the inside, it looks just like this. So we've got a spray, a lip gloss, a big eyeshadow palette, and then at the very back, you can't really see it here, we have a little eyeshadow palette. So let's just take you through everything that you get in this. And so the first thing we've got is the chocolate cherry fixing spray. I want to sniff it. Will it smell of cherry? Yeah, that smells really nice. It doesn't even smell too sweet or too strong, it just smells really nice. Next up, we get a lip gloss. This is their new packaging for the I Heart Revolution lip glosses. Actually, I'll go and get the other ones because I got some last year. But last year I actually picked up in the January sales the Chocolate Vault box thing. Amazing box, by the way. If they do it again this year, definitely pick it up. But inside that box we did get some lip glosses. They haven't changed the packaging too much, but in this new box they have changed the packaging a tiny bit, and I actually think they've got a bit of inspo from maybe, I don't know, Kylie Jenner, or there's another one, Huda Beauty maybe, because we've got like the drips at the top. So that's what this packaging looks like. I honestly think it is absolutely beautiful. But this is in such a pretty colour. It's like a deep burgundy colour. Beautiful for the autumn and the winter. Let's have a sniff of this. Yeah, it's beautiful. Next up, we'll have a look at the big eyeshadow palette first. So this is the I Heart Revolution Black Cherry palette. It looks just like this. It's their standard chocolate palette, so this is all 3D with the drips. I love these palettes. I know a lot of people collect them. And then on the inside, the colour scheme is beautiful. And then that is the colour scheme on the inside. You've got some gorgeous crease colours. You've got some blendy colours. You've got some pops of colour up here. I think you could create such a stunning look with that. But we're going to have a look at this in more depth in a minute. And then moving on, we've got the mini eyeshadow palette. Now, I love these. I've got a highlight version and I've got like a contour version. Did not know they did mini eyeshadow ones. These are amazing for when you're just going away for like a couple of days. You don't want to take a big one. And then inside this mini palette, we have this colour scheme here. Which again, you could easily take that away with you and create a stunning look with that, with just those couple of shades. So, let's shove some of this on my face. I'm so excited, I don't want to wait anymore. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, let's crack on with this. I've done my base, I've done my eyebrows, that is all I've done so far. So we are going to put some eyeshadow on, then I'll go off camera, I'll do some other bits, and then I'll come right back. So I think the first palette I'm going to go in with is obviously the big one. Let's just have another look at all of these beautiful shades. They are the shades that we've got. I think really I'm going to go in straight away with Waft. Let's go straight in with Waft with a fluffy brush. I'm just going to pop that all over my lid. I also like these palettes because they come with mirrors. It makes life so much easier. I always feel so bougie holding these. Does anyone else? I always feel like, yeah. One more thing. These are limited edition. Apparently they're not going to be selling these after. You have to get them in the kit. Otherwise you just won't be getting them. Sorry. I don't know why I'm apologising. It wasn't my decision. Should we go for a purple look? I haven't done purple in such a long time. I'm going to take the shade Pie and I'm going to pop that in my crease, but I'm going to stop when I get halfway, and then I'm going to blend that out into the shade Succulent. They pick up so well. Oh, the pigment. I am already happy. That makes me so happy. It works. Blend that out a tiny bit. Blend, blend, blend. Wow, that blended so easily. Right, I'm going to take another brush. This is why I have to clean 20 million brushes at once, because I use so many for one look. I don't know why. I'm going to take the dark shade Liquor. Sorry about my lighting. This one up here, pop that in the outer corner. Yeah, that's deepened it up. Let's just give the foils a little bit of a swatch first, because I want to put a foil on my lid. I'm going to do a half cut crease instead of a full one today, but I really, really want to swatch the foils first. One. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. And so's that. Look at the reflection of the light. Wow. I love a foil. I absolutely love a foil. And then this is the hot pink one. Yeah. Yeah, all of them are amazing. I don't know what I want to put on my eye first. I really don't. Do you know what? While I'm thinking about it, I'm going to go off camera. I'm just going to cut it really quickly. I'm only doing half a cut and I'll be right back. See you in a sec. I've cut that really quickly, just using concealer. I didn't put anything else on it. This is what I'm looking like at the moment. Also, while I was cutting it, I haven't done that very tidily, sorry. I've found a tiny bit of fallout, but it's literally next to not noticeable. So, bit of concealer, I reckon we'll get rid of that. And I'm also going to use one of those horrible like little sponge things, because I tried this yesterday and it worked really, really well. Let it snow, let it snow. I'm going to take a little bit of the hot chocolate shade, but then I also might play around some of this red toned one up here for my lower lash line. Let's have a look and just see what that ends up looking like. Hopefully it looks okay. Yeah, I am really, really happy with this palette. Do you know what? I haven't even touched the little one yet. I'm going to go in with the little palette and I'm going to take this highlighty shade here. There's not a name for it, it just says... Oh, hello. These aren't just eyeshadow palettes. Half of them are pressed pigments. I'm going to take the shade, this goldy shade here, and I'm going to pop that in my inner corner because I think it will spice up the look a little bit. And then I think we're pretty much done. Let it snow, let it snow. Right, beautifuls. I've done with this eye. I'm actually so happy with that. I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to do this eye, and then we'll have a look at the other products. See you in a sec. Right, beautifuls. Puberty. I am back. I'm really sorry. It's been like an hour and a half. I decided to go and get some lunch and a Krispy Kreme donut. And now I'm back. So we have done both eyes. Hand on heart, I love that palette. I'm really, really impressed with that eyeshadow palette. Yeah, it might be one of the best ones I've bought this year, I think. So the next thing I want to have a look at is just the lip gloss. So a lot of people will just put this on their lips as they are. I'm not that kind of girl. I have to have a nude on first and then I'll put the lips on. So I'm going to just chuck some nude lipstick on it and then we'll put the lip gloss on as well and see what that looks like. No nudes on. Let's go. It smells so good. I really like that because it looks like it's going to be super dark in here, but it is actually, it's got that depth to it, but it's sheer, so you can build it. I really, really like that. That's nice. We only have one more thing left to look at, so this is the chocolate cherry fixing spray. Let's just see how this spritz, because I find some of them very shocking. I always feel like I'm shooting myself every time I do this. Let's go. I'm actually nervous. Do Do you know, that actually feels really nice on the skin. I'm so happy with how that's all come out. Makeup Revolution, you did a bloody good one this time. Like, you do most of the time, but this is bloody good. Well done. Just giving you a little tiny zoom in. So we've gone for the pinky purpley blended out crease with the gold lid, and then a bit more of a red tone underneath with the lipstick, the lip gloss. I'm honestly so happy with this. I am obsessed with the eyeshadow palette. So guys, that is the end of today's YouTube video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button. It helps me out so much. And if you're new here and you haven't yet done so, maybe consider subscribing. We're on the way to 1,000 and I'd really love it if you did that. If not, don't worry, it's all good. I really hope you have a fantastic day, evening or weekend, wherever you are in the world. And I really hope that I get to see you guys again in the next video. Until then, love you, bye.